Guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So this is Swathi Parthasarathi. So I've been looking for a colored eyeliner from a long time and finally it's here. Yes, finally it's here. So this is from the brand StudioWest, which is the Westside brand, and it is also a newly launched one. And there's like a lot of collections in this colored eyeliner, but my hands went on these two colors. So in today's vlog, I'll be just applying it on my eyes and I'll show how exactly it looks on my face. And I haven't tried this once also, so I'm trying in front of you guys for the first time. So let's get started. Just love these two colors, and it's a 3.5 ml bottle. It's a plastic one, and also it is travel friendly. The cost of this is 195 rupees. Yes, you heard me right. It's just 195 rupees each, and which is super affordable. Now I'll just swatch it on my hand and I'll show, and let's see whether it is a smudge proof or waterproof, whatever it is.
So before testing, let me show you the outer packaging of these two eyeliners. So you can see the brush is like very thin, and you can put a very thin stroke, and actually it dries really very fast.
Now I'll apply it on my eyes. Let's see how it goes. But I have already applied this black eyeliner, so on that itself I'll be applying these two colors. So off the cam, I just applied it on the black eyeliner, and the color actually is not the color which I swatched here. It's completely different. So I'll just remove this eyeliner, the black one, and then apply it freshly on the eyes. So let's see. So I am back, so let me try now. So now I'll apply the yellow one. Love these two colors, and you know, the yellow is like more vibrant and it is actually dominating. So if you just wear this pink color, then it looks really cool and sexy, but when you're mixing up with this yellow, then yellow is more vibrant. But I love both the combination. So what did you feel about these two combination? Do let me know in the comment section. So as I told earlier, there is like a lot of colors and it's a new launch, and also you get a shimmer eyeliner. So if you are really interested, you can definitely go and buy this, and it's like super affordable. It is just 195 rupees each. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'm ending the video right here. So what did you like about this video? Do let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit like, share and comment. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, see ya.